Hello everybody and welcome to Bangladesh. Today we will be making chicken donuts. Feel free to pause the video here and have a read of the ingredients. Begin by roughly chopping your onions. You then want to chop your coriander and your green chillies. Chop your chicken breast into rough cubes. Add your chicken to a blender. Now blend your chicken until it becomes like mince. Alternatively, you can use pre-minced chicken. Once you have blended your chicken, add the rest of your chopped ingredients and blend these together until well combined. Transfer this chicken mix to a bowl and add mashed potatoes, coarse breadcrumbs, spices and lemon juice. Knead these all in with your hands until everything is mixed evenly. Once all your ingredients are thoroughly combined, cover your bowl and leave the mix to refrigerate for around 20 minutes. This will allow the mix to firm up slightly. Once your mix has chilled, use a well-oiled hand to separate the mix into balls, as shown in the video. Once you have formed balls with your chicken mix, use your hands to form a donut shape. Make sure your hands are well oiled to prevent the dough from sticking to your palms. Repeat the process until all the chicken mix has been used up. Transfer the chicken donuts to a tray lined with greaseproof paper to prevent sticking. Once you have formed all your donuts, leave the tray in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. To a plate, add breadcrumbs. To a bowl, thoroughly beat 2 eggs. Take one chicken donut and coat it in the beaten egg before transferring it to the plate of breadcrumbs and coating it thoroughly. Once you have completely covered your donuts in breadcrumbs, transfer to a plate and begin working on the next ones. Repeat the process until you have breadcrumbed all your donuts. To a large pan, add a generous amount of oil and allow this to heat up. Once your oil is hot, gently place in your chicken donuts. Cook the donuts in the oil for around 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to flip every 1 to 2 minutes to prevent burning. Once your donuts are crispy and golden and the chicken is fully cooked inside, remove them from the oil and set aside to drain. They are now ready to serve and are a fun and creative lunch idea, will work great in parties. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you give any of our recipes a try.